Hi everyone, my name is Priscilla. I work here for the City of Rialto at the Fitness and Aquatic Center, and I do hope this video is finding you in good health. And today I am going to do for you a smoothie demonstration. Now, quick disclosure, my way isn't the correct way. You can add anything to your smoothie. And the back is just an example of fruits that you can add. You can literally make a smoothie out of anything. For my smoothie today, I am going to use raspberries, blackberries, and just blueberries for garnish, and I'm going to include some vanilla yogurt and 1 banana. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put gloves on simply because I do want to share with my friends, and it's just for safety. So for my recipe, it does call for a cup of raspberries. I did not bring any measuring cups. However, my blender does have little tick marks for me to go ahead and see. So it calls for 1 cup of my raspberries. I'm just going to drop them in until I fill it up to the 1 cup mark. Now that did take about the whole packet, just about. Next, my recipe calls for half a cup of blackberries. So again, I'm just going to use the tick marks on my blender. That looks about right. Next, I need 1 full banana. I am going to cut my banana down just so it's easier for my blender. I'm going to drop my banana pieces into my blender now. My last thing I'm going to add is just this full tub of yogurt. All right, it does call for 6 ounces. This one is 5.3, so I'm just going to use the whole tub. So we're going to pop my lid back on the blender here. And we're going to blend now. Now what I'm going to add is a couple pieces of ice simply because I like my smoothies a little bit colder. And I'm going to blend again. There isn't necessarily a time for you to keep your smoothie blended. Just whenever you think it looks good, go ahead and stop blending it. I think that looks pretty perfect to me. So I'm going to head and pour it into my cups now. That same spoon you used for your yogurt, you can use it to scoop out the rest of your smoothie from your blender. If not, then that's fine as well. Now I'm going to add blueberries for garnish onto my smoothies. And there are your smoothies, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoy. If you have any other different recipes that you would like to share with us, go ahead and find us on Instagram at Rialto Community Services, on Facebook at City of Rialto Community Services, or Twitter on City of Rialto, and you can share your smoothie recipe with us. Thank you.